phonology, we deal with segmental and supra-segmental features, also known as prosody. In prosody, prosody, we explore things like intonation, inflection, cadence, and tonal modulation. See? Alright, so now in this one particular video now, we deal with strictly, we also venture into multidisciplinary, but we discuss how to write, how to compose, how to arrange, how to write, how to compose, how to arrange, how to transpose, how to transcribe, how to read sheet music, how to write, how to, all of it.